tayo. Tapos kami from Apple.
Iya naman ito sa papel bago ditipan.
Don't be so hard on yourself. You are doing the best you can do. Then, supply from Mara. So nice. Then, another wallet. First from girl, dapat na ikuan ni sulod. Asa man ang kuan ni Milyones? Ano ni Milyones girl? Kasi pa ni sa sulod. It's beginning to look like Christmas. This is from Janine Madelayan. Diba? Princess. Clips. Hair clips. Different colors. And white. Kulay purple na dahil. Then, this is from Jenny Lynn. It's wow, so dami. A different tantali. And then, this is from Carol Janine. It's a clip and a humot. A cologne. Siya na, syempre, purple para sa tuwa, diba? And, ito na lang. Hindi, pakita sana ko na isa. And this one from Apple again. From Apple, this one, kay Apple. Diba? So, thank you.
Binigit mo po. Masigit lang ko to mo.